In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an opening balance in Zoho Books. Whether you're cleaning up your accounting records or simply made an error that needs correction, knowing how to adjust these figures is an essential skill for any Zoho Books user. Let's dive in and simplify the process for you. First, let's get started by navigating to the Settings menu in Zoho Books. To do this, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find all your organizational settings, so make sure you've selected the correct icon. Clicking on the gear icon will open up a drop-down menu filled with various configuration options, all designed to help you manage your bookkeeping needs. Today, our focus will be on the opening balances, situated under the Organization section. Take your time to locate this section, as it's crucial for managing your company's financial beginnings in Zoho Books. Once you've clicked on Opening Balances, the platform will take you to a screen displaying all your financial accounts and their initial figures. Here is where we'll start making adjustments. Head over to the top right corner of this page and click the Edit button. This will open up the accounts so you can make the necessary changes to your balances. Now, this is an important step. Scour through the list of accounts to find the one you're looking to amend. Be sure you're looking at the specific account whose opening balance is incorrect or needs to be zeroed out. Once you've pinpointed the account, you'll have fields indicating the debit and credit amounts. In the corresponding field for the account, replace the existing figure with 0. This action effectively deletes the opening balance for that particular account, resetting it for future entries. After you've made the changes, click on the Continue button. This will allow you to proceed to a preview page. This page is critical because it provides an overview of all the adjustments you've made, making sure everything is accurate and as per your requirements before confirming the changes. Take a moment to review the details, ensuring that each account displays the correct 0 balance you intend to set. Finally, once you are sure that everything looks right, follow through any additional prompts Zoho Books may present to finalize and save your settings. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an opening balance in Zoho Books, ensuring your accounts are clean and up to date. Remember, being accurate with your bookkeeping is key, so always double-check your entries and save any changes whenever you adjust financial data. Feel free to reach out with any questions, and thank you for watching today.